Have you wondered, like so many have, whether there is healing possible for narcissistic and emotional abuse, whether you are the perpetrator or the victim? Well, at the Marriage Recovery Center, we have found that so many people, so many couples are likely to stay together even during and after narcissistic and emotional abuse. And since that is the case, we do not think it is best to run. We do not think it's best to close off all possibilities for healing. We want to help you explore whether healing is possible. And so we've developed a comprehensive program called Healing Together from Narcissistic and Emotional Abuse. And in this comprehensive program, we have a program for men called The Core, where they work on taking responsibility for their abusive behaviors and learn how to become healthy, functioning men who can interact in a loving and caring and responsible way to their mate. And then we've got a program for women called Redeemed, where they can heal from PTSD and trauma and the impact of narcissistic and emotional abuse. Then, at the right time, in the right way, and only with incredible discretion, do we bring them together and involve them in effective couples counseling. The couples counseling has to be done at the right time, in the right way, and only if it's appropriate. Sometimes it's not, sometimes it is. The Core for Men, Redeemed for Women, coming together, doing couples work at the right time, and if done in this way with great supervision and really effective counseling, many relationships can be saved. So if this sounds interesting to you, if you think you might fit into such a program, please call our very caring client care team at the Marriage Recovery Center, and they will answer all of your questions. Okay, God bless.